Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by reducing thickness so acetone can penetrate. First, trim the free edge to about 1-2 mm and file the shiny top layer with a 180 grit file. This breaks the seal and speeds removal. Once done, place a cotton pad saturated in 100% acetone on the nail, then wrap tightly with foil to trap heat. You do this because thinning and sealing increase solvent contact and reduce soaking time, making the process safer and more effective. You now let the acetone work. Keep the foil wraps on for 10-15 minutes, testing one nail first to see if the powder lifts. Once the surface looks wrinkled, use a wooden or metal cuticle stick at a low angle to push and roll the softened dip powder away. Avoid force that could damage natural nail. If residue remains, re-soak problem nails for another 5-10 minutes and repeat. This staged approach preserves nail integrity while ensuring full removal. You finish by gently filing any stubborn residue with 240 grit and buffing to a smooth surface, because aggressive filing thins the natural nail. Then wash hands thoroughly and apply cuticle oil and a rich hand cream to restore moisture lost to acetone. Make sure to rest nails for a few days before new product. If you feel pain, see lifting, or the powder won't budge despite re-soaking, stop. Re-soak, and if still resistant, seek a professional to avoid
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.